Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram story bad video quality after upload. First, open the Instagram app on your device and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the three lines at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Data Usage and Media Quality. You will see two options here. Make sure use less data is disabled. This settings limit mobile data usage and can reduce upload quality. To upload high quality content, disable this option. Now enable upload at the highest quality. This ensures Instagram uploads your content at the best possible resolution even if it takes longer. Ensure your internet connection is good and stable. If you have a poor connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which works better. Sometimes a slow or unstable connection causes low quality uploads. If these steps don't help, try this additional method. Exit Instagram and open your device's camera app. Go to the camera settings and set the video resolution to 4K or the highest setting available. Record in higher resolution improves video quality for uploads. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.